Today I'm going to show you guys how to make my family's Moroccan lemon chicken. We're going to start with chicken thighs, and then we're going to add lemon juice, oil, garlic, fresh ginger, onions, turmeric, paprika, cumin, cinnamon, cayenne pepper, and salt and pepper. You're going to combine all the ingredients and give everything a nice stir. Then you're going to add some saran wrap and let it marinate either overnight or in the fridge for a few hours. Then in your Instant Pot, you're going to set it to saute and add a little bit of olive oil. Then we're going to saute our chicken thighs, and you want to let it saute for about a good 4 minutes without disturbing it. Then we're going to pour our chicken broth into the spices and set that off to the side. When your chicken thighs are finished, you're going to remove and then add that chicken broth into the pot and make sure you scrape up all the flavor and all the brown bits, and you want to make sure you get it really good. Then you're going to add your trivet, and you're going to put the chicken thighs back onto the trivet in your Instant Pot. Then you're going to put on the lid and set your Instant Pot for 12 minutes. When it's finished, you want to wait 5 minutes to slow release before you let the steam out. Once you let the steam out, remove the trivet and add the carrots. Then you're going to put the lid back on and pressure cook for 1 minute with quick release. Then you're going to add your peas, diced preserved lemons, green olives, and give everything a stir. And then you can pour it into a serving dish. Now that it's in a serving dish, you're going to re-add your cooked chicken thighs. Traditionally, we like to garnish this dish with fresh cilantro and a few extra slices of preserved lemon. And there you have it, Moroccan lemon chicken, ready to serve. Enjoy.